back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you on this Friday. We have things from the huge YouTuber Mr. Beast. We have H&R Block, we have some customer service, we have some medical record, non-phone healthcare. So hopefully, again, I have a little bit of something that might be of interest to everyone. We are going to dive all in. I always just ask that if you enjoy any of the job leads that I share, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up like button. And you can always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. And of course, if you know anybody who could benefit from any of these, make sure you share with them, because the goal of this channel is just to help everyone find their dream work from home job and live that great, happiest, healthiest life. But diving right on in, we have Mr. Beast. Now, Mr. Beast is a North Carolina native. He is a business owner with multiple different businesses, but he started and rose to fame with his well-known YouTube channel where he does all of these extreme challenges. Now, he does operate as a smaller company. He only has 20 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.3 out of 5 stars. He is hiring someone to work with his YouTube channel. This is going to be fully remote, and it's for Mr. Beast Gaming. He runs multiple YouTube channels, so not the challenge one, but his gaming channel. He's looking for somebody to be a statistics specialist. So you're going to have expertise in the YouTube API to join the team, but you'll be working with them to help extract and analyze data from a variety of YouTube-focused projects. So you're going to work with this data to make sure that his YouTube channels, videos, and other sources, you're going to just extract, and analyze all the data from all of those sources and help develop any scripts and tools to automate the collection of processing of this data, maintaining YouTube's integration for the various projects, and then just providing any insights and recommendations based on this data. So you're probably helping try to look at the data and help him decide where to go with the channels, what things could be done, what things are working on the channel, what things are not working. You'll document process and procedures for this YouTube data collection. Now, this means that you're going to kind of have to be a techie person. You're going to have to understand HTTP requests and responses, have a mindset of how to make things better, and you've had to have worked with web APIs before. And unfortunately, pay was not listed. That'll need to be discussed at the time of the interview. Moving right along, though, if medical records and reviewing medical records is your thing, the company Lexicode has 116 reviews on Glassdoor with a 4.2 out of 5 star rating. They are hiring a remote medical records clerk. But they're basically looking for somebody to review their medical records documentation and determine if the medical record is ready for coding. So you're going to have the ability to understand and apply different forms and rules depending on the record type, and you'll have to communicate the status of the account up, but that's it. You're just going to be reviewing these records and saying, yes, this is ready for coding, and then you pass it on to the coder to have it coded, or no, it's not ready for coding, and if not, what needs to happen or what information do you need to collect so that it is ready for coding. So basically just reviewing the medical record documentation is all that you'll be doing in this job. So it's completely non-phone. It does pay anywhere from $15 an hour all the way up to $20 an hour, depending on things like your location and experience. And they only require a high school diploma or GED and 1 year of related work experience. Someone who's detail-oriented, familiar with medical terminology, and has great computer skills and great communication skills. Now, as we move into the end of the year, not only are we going into holiday season, but we are also going into a tax time here in the United States. And so H&R Block is hiring someone to help with their customer support during the busy season. So this is going to be a seasonal position, but H&R Block has 7,100 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a seasonal remote customer service representative. It does say this is 100% work from home. They are looking for somebody to start by January 22nd of 2024. And please note they have multiple different shifts available. They have some 7 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. shifts, some 8:30 to 5 p.m. shifts, some 10:30 a.m. to 7 p.m. shifts. So multiple shifts available. Pay is going to be $17 an hour. But they're basically looking for somebody to be a seasonal retention associate, providing advanced client support, communicating through phone, email, and chat with their external clients that require assistance of information for the DIY or do-it-yourself online software tax products. So you're going to interpret the client's needs, utilize software solutions, and your troubleshooting skills to help identify practical solutions to give them. You're going to utilize software solutions. You'll have a knowledge base that you can use to help you come up with the solutions, and you'll have multiple computer systems to resolve and track these user incidences that you'll be working in. You also have to help identify any potential security issues and escalate those up to the developers of the software. So just clearly communicating on the phone or through email and chat with the customers with any issues that they need. Now, they only require a high school diploma or GED in general computer navigation knowledge. You do have to have a quiet place in your home to work where you can take these phone calls. But keeping it moving, I have seen people in the comments want some banking or financial positions. And this one is going to be customer service though, but it is with a credit union. PSCU has 872 reviews on Glassdoor with a 4.2 out of 5-star rating. They are looking for an inbound customer service representative, and this is going to be remote for the United States. They are looking for someone to start by January 16th, and they're going to provide you 4 to 7 weeks of training. That training schedule is going to be Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you'll have to convert your hours to make sure that that training schedule works for you. Now, once you get out of training, they're really looking for somebody to work that midday or second shift schedule. So maybe like a 3 p.m. to 11 p.m. type schedule. But they're basically looking for somebody just to perform that basic customer service. You're going to have to demonstrate the willingness to learn, strong attention to detail, and a positive attitude, and be flexible for change, because you're going to maintain strong member-focused empathy. So when the customer or the members of the bank or credit union call in, they're having an issue, you're going to have to solve their issue while maintaining that empathy, communicating clearly with them, just exercising good judgment, listening to them, asking follow-up questions to get information out of them. And you might have to de-escalate any situations where they are a little bit emotional. So you'll just have to handle all of their banking customer service type questions. While you're multitasking and navigating through multiple computer systems, you'll document your interactions with them in the system. Now, they only require a high school diploma or GED and 2 years of customer service experience. Now, pay for this position is $17.35 an hour with the option for multiple bonuses. And if you can speak both Spanish and English, you get an extra $2 an hour for being fluent and bilingual in multiple languages. Now, they also do offer a standard benefit package that comes with medical insurance, 401k, and paid time off. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, again, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoyed it, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.